5 Best Ratchet Sets. Number 5. EP Auto 40 Piece. Made from hardened treated chrome vanadium. Chrome plated and mirror polished. A sturdy plastic organizing case is included. English sizes are included. Slim and compact size. Includes metric and SAE options. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Tekton 13101. Includes universal joint. Extra long 6-inch extension. Tools not found in most other sets. Includes a universal joint. Easy to clean and maintain. Designed to grip flat sides of bolts. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Stanley 92-839. 99-piece black chrome. Limited lifetime warranty. Max drive design provides 15% more torque. Case provides for convenient tool storage and travel. Max drive design offers high torque. 2-piece case allows for lid removal. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Crescent CTK 170 CMP2. Improved Crescent screwdrivers. Consumer applications. Tools meet stringent nuancy. All tools contained in a sturdy 2 spark plug sockets. Magnetic screw bit driver. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. DeWalt DWMT 73803. 1-piece set includes sockets. 72-tooth gear system. Anti-slip grip for comfort. High torque ratcheting. Removable accessory case. 12 combo wrenches. Please check the description for detail and price.